everyone, it's Jennifer, and today we have Advent December the 18th. So let's check it out. So on the sewing calendar, this is for the 18th, and we have assorted hand needles. So assorted hand needles, that'll come in handy. And in the woobles, we have, well, get on Pusheen. Oh, here's the 18th. For the 18th on woobles, we got a hook. That's awesome. So we got a beautiful hook with all the little characters on it. That's fantastic. Love that. And for Southern Skeins, check this out. Oh, how pretty is this one? That's beautiful. Love that. And then for Hearts on Fiber, we get to pick one. Just reach in and grab one. Close the box up. Oops. Set that down. Alright. And this is a Hearts on Fiber. Pusheen quit. Trying to get to it. Oh, that's really pretty. That's real pretty and super soft. So for Hearts on Fiber, we have both of these. And this, and this, and this. These are what we've gotten since the 16th. And for Southern Skeins, it's the 16th, 17th, and 18th. And for the woobles, we've gotten the wreath and the nutcracker hat and the hook since the 16th. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.